Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sue Henry, back again with a new video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. Also remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can always be notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, I'm at Viewpoint on my way to Maasai Mara. This is the greatest Rift Valley escarpment. So guys, here we have Mombasa Curio shop, and I'm going to show you around as you enjoy the view of the escarpments. This is our first stopover, so we are very much excited seeing around and being away from home and away from Nairobi. So guys, enjoy the view with us. And guys, I'm just our tracked out for some seconds. This is called having fun. Let's continue with the journey. On to our next stopover, guys, which was Olare gift shop. And here guys, I have a lot of information for you, and I really shopped here.
This is rosewood, and then the black one is ebony. Rosewood and ebony.
Okay. So what is the difference?
It's the quality. Ebony is the best quality, and then followed with rosewood.
Okay. So this is ebony.
This is rosewood, sir.
Oh, rosewood.
Yeah.
So
rosewood
ebony is the best.
Yes. Outside of rosewood is white.
Okay.
Inside is red.
Okay.
And then outside of ebony is white. Inside is black.
Now this is the ebony.
Yes. Yeah, all this is ebony. So it's there from. You remove the outer part, then you're left with the inner part. The inner part.
So the inner part is the one which is black.
Yes, which is black, and it's the best part for carving.
Okay.
And the guys in Nairobi, they are very smart. They will tell you that they paint black. I tell you it's ebony. This is not ebony, and it's very light. You can feel even the weight. Yeah.
Okay.
It's very light.
So how much does one sculpture go for?
It depends with the size and the art on it.
Okay.
Yeah. And the wood.
We are picking an ebony.
I'll take shillings, I'll take dollars. Ndachukua credit card. Ndachukua hata bitcoins kama uko nazo.
Okay.
Yeah. What we do is it has two holes here. So we put like you see these spoons, two that fits to bring the real picture of. Yeah, two that fits. Yeah, two that fits. And when the trunk is up, is for good luck.
Okay.
If you see this while you are expectant, you'll get twins or triplets.
Really?
Yeah, so be careful. If you go there, you see like this, and maybe kuna kitu mahali fulani, tatoka zikio tatu. Kwa hivyo, yeah, hizo test hivyo. Hiyo sasa, hiyo hii, Ingia ina part. Unapata hiyo. Alafu angalia pia kuna art. Unaona hii? Hiyo na hii iko na a lot of art. Unaona hii haina art. Hii haina art. You see this one is much more detailed. Wengi zingine wanaonga hizi details. Si unaona hata hii iko na details sana. Yeah, it looks big. Nataka nikupe package. Utachukua nini na nini? Unaweza chukua big 5 zote.
Kama big 5 zote.
Sasa unaona ukipata kama big 5. Acha pangia. Lazima zikuwe proportion. Ifanye inakuwa proportion. Unaona zote zinataka kwenda. They all want to go. So you can have that. Then a rhino. Leopard. Ndofu itabidi utakuteka fungo kidogo juu ya proportion penye ziko wenye haitakuwa bulky tena. We are missing a buffalo. Missing a buffalo. So this is very big, and then this is the king of the jungle. Huyu is very, he's a tough guy. The lion.
So in the big 5.
Yeah, in the big 5.
Guys, after shopping in the Curio shop, I was not able to film much, but we are now already in our destination where we were coming. We are already in Maasai Mara, and now we are ready for an evening game drive. Once you are here for the first day, you take a short game drive in the evening, and then the following day will be a full day game drive. So guys, let's go for the game drive in the park. So here we are, the truck were lining up so that we can get into the Mara. Guess what guys, I saw zebra as my first animal. I truly love zebras because of how they look, the color, and how hippie they look. Yeah, hippie. My second animal was a giraffe. Look how tall this giraffe is. So pretty, so beautiful. So guys, I'll reduce my talking and let you enjoy the game drive. Okay? And the sunset is here guys, and this means it's the end of the day. I really enjoyed today's game drive. It was short but fun. So let's wait for tomorrow, and let me see you in tomorrow's game drive. Today is on Saturday and it's 8 a.m. in the morning. We are ready. We have already taken our breakfast. Our lunch is already packed and taken to the truck. Right now I'm going to get into the truck and get ready for the day so that we can go for the whole day game drive. The tour guide is already here waiting for us. So guys, let's go to the park and see what the day unfolds. I hope it's going to be fun. I'm hoping to see the big 5, the elephant, the buffalo, the leopard, and the rest. So guys, stay tuned. Let's go and see these animals. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. We are going to see the animals. So guys, let's go. We got into the park guys, but here filming I couldn't film because the roads were too bumpy. And guess what guys, the first animal I saw in the morning was a buffalo. A buffalo! Look at the buffaloes. Let me minimize my talking and let you enjoy the game drive. This elephant is super close to us. It has a very nice view. Just look at the elephant. So big, so huge. Eish. I'm just loving this. This is a secretary bird. Do you have snakes here? More favorites here, the zebras. Actually guys, I was informed that when the migration happens, the wildebeest and zebras migrate together, and the zebras always lead the group that is migrating. So you will always see the zebras together with the wildebeest. As you can see at the far end, we have the wildebeests. So these were maybe planning to migrate, or they have just migrated. Here I'm trying to visualize a lion feeding on a zebra. Hey, wait for it guys. Just see this lion feeding on a zebra. Then a hyena here. A hyena is feeding on a wild beast. Oh my gosh. Then after that, a hyena leaves the wild beasts, and it doesn't want the scavengers to feed, to enjoy the meal. Look at the hyena. Oh, fisi. Hizi ni tabia za fisi. Anyway, we understand you. But finally, it allowed the scavengers to go and have a feast. But I tell you, the scavengers, they were like, hey, waiting for this feast. Look at this, guys. This is the magic of the world. This is how animals feed, imagine. And then at the far end, the lion already pulled the zebra to hide, so that it can hide the zebra. This is so awesome. I hope guys you enjoy it. I also went to the Tanzania-Kenya border. Here it is. Here is the border posts. This is the Mara River. So huge. This is where the wild beast migration usually happens. So we came here to wait for the migration if it was to happen. By the way, you usually come here to wait for the migration. It doesn't have to happen daily, and this is the exact place that migration happens here. In this river we have the hippos. You can see so many hippos, so big, so huge. Look at this. Let me give you an up close. We were going to the river so that we can see the migration, but it just had happened some few minutes ago. These are the wild beasts that had just migrated from wherever they were coming from. We didn't enjoy to see them crossing the river, but we were happy seeing them after they had crossed the river. Just a few minutes before we arrived at the Mara River. This is how they look after crossing. They look like they don't know where to go. They look confused. But of course, when you are in a new place, you have to be confused before you figure out where to go. I think the same for the wild beast. Guys, we didn't give up waiting on the wild beast, so we took our packed lunch and we started feeding. We started eating our lunch. We started having our lunch, waiting to see if these animals would cross the river anymore. They would migrate, but they didn't migrate. But we were so grateful that we were here and planning for another visit to Mara so that we can go and see the live migration. That's why it's always never enough to go in the Mara once. You can always go many times as you can so that you can witness the migration of the wild beast. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Until the next one guys, peace and bye bye.